Across China's Lingdingyang Bay, over 4,000 cargo ships cross this strategic shipping corridor every single day. Massive container ships dominate these waters because traditional bridge piers would cripple one of Earth's busiest trade routes. 40 meters below, unstable marine silt threatens to swallow massive engineering structures before construction can even begin. An 80,000-ton immersed tunnel element begins its slow and dangerous descent beneath the open ocean waters. Heavy hydraulic lowering cables carry enormous loads because 1 millimeter of error destroys the entire sealing system. Violent 8-knot cross currents fight every movement, while 80,000 tons remain suspended beneath the turbulent sea. Engineers perform one of the deepest and most precise immersed tunnel installations ever attempted beneath an active shipping lane. This extraordinary engineering achievement transformed an impossible ocean crossing into the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. High-pressure slurry jets cut dense marine mud, while hydraulic pressure keeps the cutter head rotating safely. A massive mechanical dredging arm reaches 40 meters beneath powerful tidal currents before striking stable bedrock. Massive steel slurry pipelines vibrate under extreme pressure because trapped boulders can rupture the entire system. Advanced bathymetric sonar continuously maps shifting seabed contours beneath dense underwater sediment during excavation. A massive wall of unstable marine sediment collapses into the trench, threatening weeks of excavation progress. Heavy steel crane cables carry enormous loads because one snapped lifting line triggers catastrophic equipment failure. Dynamic positioning anchors hold massive pontoons steady, while powerful tidal currents pull against their foundations. An autonomous survey crawler scans the trench using high-frequency sonar to detect hidden rock formations. Heavy ocean tides constantly push fresh marine sediment back into the trench during excavation. Continuous rock cutting rapidly wears hardened alloy teeth beyond their safe operating limits. Technicians replace damaged cutter teeth around the clock to keep the excavation system operating. Digital telemetry confirms more than 30 million cubic meters of marine sediment have been removed. Heavy hydraulic rock rippers fracture buried granite formations beneath the unstable seabed with tremendous force. Underwater pressure sensors continuously monitor trench stability and detect dangerous structural movement beneath the seabed. The completed trench is fully stabilized before engineers construct the millimeter-perfect tunnel foundation. An uneven trench foundation guarantees failure because 80,000 tons cannot safely rest on raw bedrock. Four massive steel spud legs lock the giant vessel deep into seabed rock against powerful ocean swells. A telescoping steel fall pipe delivers crushed granite 40 meters down onto the prepared trench foundation below. A heavy screeding frame levels the gravel into a perfectly flat foundation beneath the ocean floor. Dense granite gravel pours steadily, while powerful deep-sea currents push against every falling stone below. High-frequency sonar scans the gravel bed because tiny elevation errors can destabilize the entire tunnel foundation. Automated computers command 32 hydraulic thrusters to keep GINA perfectly stationary above the trench. High-pressure water jets remove loose granite because hidden rocks can fracture the tunnel foundation during installation. The engineered gravel mattress distributes 80,000 tons evenly across soft marine silt beneath the trench. A heavy autonomous crawler compacts the gravel bed until maximum structural density is achieved beneath the seabed. Deep water hydraulic sensors continuously monitor crushing water pressure, protecting critical mechanical seals from failure. Subsea laser emitters verify perfectly level foundation surfaces before every massive tunnel element is installed. Strong tidal currents continuously wash marine silt across the gravel bed throughout the foundation operation. The heavy leveling sled completes its final pass, creating an ultra-flat subsea platform ready for installation. Gigantic spud legs retract as GINA leaves behind a perfectly prepared immersed tunnel foundation. With the foundation complete, engineers begin casting 80,000-ton tunnel elements inside massive coastal dry docks. High-pressure concrete pumps fill giant steel molds with dense hydraulic mix across the automated casting factory. A single trapped air pocket can weaken the tunnel wall beneath crushing subsea water pressure. Steam curing systems flood massive concrete segments with 80-degree vapor, accelerating strength throughout every structural section. Thermal sensors monitor internal concrete temperatures continuously, preventing dangerous microfractures during the curing process. Temporary steel bulkheads seal both tunnel openings with precision neoprene gaskets before controlled flotation begins. Floodgates release seawater into the dry dock, gradually floating the completed tunnel element from its supports. 80,000 tons of concrete slowly rise as sealed buoyancy chambers displace thousands of cubic meters. Ballast pumps rapidly shift water between compartments, keeping the floating tunnel element perfectly balanced. 4 powerful ocean tugboats connect heavy steel tow lines to reinforce towing points on the tunnel element. 10,000 horsepower pulls the floating concrete giant safely beyond the protected harbor entrance. Powerful cross-currents strike the floating structure, forcing tugboats to fight relentless sideways drift toward danger. Satellite navigation updates precise coordinates continuously, guiding the floating tunnel safely through the transit channel. Survey vessels clear marine traffic ahead while verifying safe subsea depth along the transport route. Heavy ocean swells rock the floating structure as automated ballast systems maintain stable equilibrium. The towing fleet reaches the offshore immersion zone, where giant positioning barges await the tunnel.
Tension the line. Cable secured, sir. Ready for the load.
Precision mooring lines secure the tunnel element directly above the completed subsea trench with millimeter accuracy. Ocean transit ends as controlled immersion begins, launching the most dangerous phase of underwater construction. Massive flood valves open as thousands of tons of seawater rush into the tunnel ballast chambers. The giant concrete element slowly disappears beneath foaming seawater as controlled ballast begins the descent. Powerful cross currents push against the descending structure, threatening precise alignment deep below the ocean surface. Corner thruster pods generate enormous force, holding the massive tunnel element steadily against powerful underwater currents. Cable load sensors detect uneven tension before dangerous weight imbalance can destabilize the suspended structure. Dark ocean depths swallow the descending tunnel as sunlight rapidly fades beneath the turbulent surface. High-resolution sonar maps the prepared gravel foundation waiting 40 meters below the descending tunnel. Compact ROVs surround the giant structure, transmitting continuous live video to engineers monitoring every movement. Emergency mooring winches stop dangerous sideways drift just before catastrophic collision with the installed tunnel. Heavy telescopic guide pins extend toward precision alignment sockets on the waiting tunnel segment. Hydraulic leveling legs descend carefully, preparing the tunnel for its first contact with the gravel foundation. Steel foot pads settle gently onto the gravel bed as suspended weight transfers steadily from the lifting cables. Ballast flooding continues until 80,000 tons rest firmly across the prepared subsea foundation mattress. Lowering cables gradually release tension as massive strand jacks transfer the entire load onto the seabed. Surface barges recover heavy lifting lines while disconnecting critical support systems from the tunnel element. The massive tunnel element now rests perfectly inside the trench, ready for precision mechanical joint connection. Accurate placement is complete, but final waterproof sealing remains the greatest engineering challenge ahead. Massive hydraulic pull jacks extend across the joint, preparing to connect two 80,000-ton tunnel elements. Heavy steel hooks lock securely onto reinforced anchor points inside the stationary tunnel structure. Hydraulic pumps generate 7,000 tons of pulling force, drawing the floating segment steadily into position. The flexible GINA rubber gasket makes its first contact against the stationary concrete sealing ring. A single trapped gravel stone can destroy the seal, allowing dangerous seawater to penetrate the tunnel joint. Massive water jets continuously clean the sealing surfaces before final mechanical contact begins. Pull jacks compress the thick GINA gasket, forming the tunnel's primary waterproof barrier. Powerful dewatering pumps evacuate trapped seawater from the sealed chamber between both tunnel elements. Water evacuation creates negative pressure inside the joint chamber before final hydrostatic compression begins. Immense ocean pressure forces the new tunnel element tightly against the existing structure with tremendous strength. Engineers inspect the dry joint chamber carefully, checking every steel connection for microscopic water leakage. Secondary Omega rubber seals install inside the joint, creating a fully redundant waterproof protection system. Massive rock dumping barges arrive above the tunnel, carrying thousands of tons of protective granite armor. Heavy granite boulders settle across the tunnel roof, locking the structure securely beneath the seabed. Protective rock backfill reaches 3 meters thick, shielding the tunnel from anchors and seabed erosion. Temporary steel bulkheads are removed, opening one continuous underground passage beneath the open sea. Subsea docking is complete, connecting the artificial islands through one of history's greatest underwater engineering achievements. Massive artificial islands create the dry construction gateways connecting the world's longest immersed tunnel beneath open sea. Concrete portal ramps descend smoothly from daylight into 6 kilometers of submerged highway beneath busy shipping lanes. Thousands of fiber optic sensors continuously monitor structural movement, providing real-time health data throughout the entire tunnel. Autonomous inspection robots patrol the service corridors daily, searching for microscopic defects before they become serious failures. Flexible seismic joints protect the tunnel by safely absorbing powerful underwater earthquake movements. High-capacity ventilation and fire protection systems keep the underwater highway operating safely every hour of every day.
Check the flow rate on Sector 4. It's dropping below the threshold. Already on it? Adjusting the metering lights now.
80,000-ton tunnel elements now rest silently beneath 40 meters of seawater, hidden from the world above. Cargo ships cross overhead, while millions of travelers move safely below, connecting Hong Kong, Zhuhai, and Macau like never before. What once seemed impossible now stands as one of humanity's greatest underwater engineering achievements, built to serve generations ahead.
Next-gen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.